Introducing the 2014 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, third row seat, heated front seat, power driver seat. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.